Okay, we're just wrapping up here. We're in Fayetteville, Tennessee. This was Fayetteville, Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Ram, and this is a panel tool system that we've installed here. This puts all their tools out. They're visible. They're in numerical sequence. We enter all this information into a database so that they can set at their station and see if they have the tool or they don't have the tool. We make allowances for all the tools that they're supposed to have. We put them up in essential tool list, and we also leave them room for growth. So that as new tools come in, like we know new tools are coming in this area here, so we leave them room to put their new tools in. We leave them room on their shelves. They have room for the new kits, new fixtures that would also be coming in. We also put them up a dog tag system, and we usually put in a sign in and sign out on their tool inventories. So we're finishing this on Friday. By Monday morning, they'll have a tool inventory sitting on their computer. They'll show them everything that they have. It shows you their kits. They're all labeled. They're easy to find. And their fixtures. We have all these shelves organized in numerical sequences. We make them up little kits where it works out best to put it in one of these little totes. We'll put all the loose pieces in there and we'll make that into a kit. So this shows you what it turned out like. We work for Sharon and Sasha over here and Eddie. Great group. And could I see the inside of a panel real quick here? There's my beautiful bride. She'll show you where. So this is what it looks like when we get it all done. We use these baskets, we use bags, hooks, totes, whatever is going to work best for it. This shows you another one. Okay, with that, I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to thank Tool Org for the job. Again, if you're looking to have your tool room done, these are the people you'd contact. This is Tool Organization Services. Here's the phone number. Here's the website. And in case that was blurry, that's 888-245-0050. And them are the people. Even if you just want to talk about what you have, we can get you a free quote, free layout, won't cost you nothing. And we can straighten your tool room out no matter what system you have. Okay, with that, we're going to go ahead and we're going to shut her down.